Welcome to the new online catalog for InfoSoup libraries. This video tutorial will show you how to review and maintain your account activity in the InfoSoup catalog. Account activity includes information regarding loans, holds, and fines. Your first step will be to log into your InfoSoup catalog. Once logged in, your name will appear at the top of the window. In this case, I'm using David's account. Next, you have the option of either clicking the down arrow next to your name and clicking the account activity link, or simply clicking directly on your name to access your account activity. This second tab contains your account activity. You will notice a section where you can click to view information about your loans, holds, and fines. First, we'll talk about the loans section. When the loans option is selected, you can see how many loans and overdue items you have. Note that in this new catalog, the loan total includes both library items and ebooks. On the loans page, you can view, sort, download, renew, and print items. You can sort items by clicking the down arrow here, and sort by status, title, or author. To download an item, in this case I have an ebook, click the download button. A download will open. Select the format you wish to download, then click OK. Another window will pop up reminding you that your item is checked out until a specific date. Click Begin Download to continue your download. To renew an item, click the Renew Loan button, then click OK. You will then see an update to the Due and Renewals to Date fields. If you'd like to print a list of your loans, click on the Print Loans link. A print window appears containing all current loans on your account. Click the Print button, select your print destination, and click on Print. Next, we'll talk about the Hold section. Click on the Holds option. You will see how many holds and arrived items you have. Note, in this new catalog, the holds total includes both library items and ebooks. On this page, you can view, sort, cancel, suspend, reactivate, change pickup location, and print. This will be covered in more detail in a separate video. Next, we'll talk about the Fines section. Click on the Fines option. Congratulations, you have no fines today. If you did have fines, they would be listed here. The Pay by Credit Card option will not be available when we first launch this new catalog. Please stay tuned for further news from InfoSoup regarding when you will be able to pay fines online. We hope that it's easy to find what you want using the new InfoSoup catalog. But if you have any trouble, your library staff will be happy to help.